Alright, so today's video is going to cover the present system passive endings. But before we jump into the passive endings, we need to make sure that we review and understand what the active endings are. So, thinking about the present system, we have the imperfect tense and the present tense. So those are the two tenses we're going to be dealing with today. So, the present tense endings are O, S, T, MUS, TIS, and NT. The imperfect endings are BOM, BOS, BOT, BOMUS, BOTIS, BONT. So these are all of our active endings. We've talked about that already in class, what active versus passive means. So to change these from present active to present passive, we just have to change the ending. So the O changes to an R, the S to a RIS, the T to TOR, the MUS to MORE, the TIS is the greatest change of them all, and it goes to MINI, and then the third person NT goes to INTOR. Pretty simple. To go from imperfect active, imperfect passive, goes from BOM to BAR, BOS to BARIS, BOT to BOTOR, BOMUS to BOMOR, BOTIS to BOMINI, and then BONT to BONTOR. And so those are the only changes that you see between the active and the present endings. So we have R, RIS, TOR, MORE, MINI, NTOR for the present passives, BAR, BARIS, BARTOR, BAMOR, BAMINI, BONTOR. They still have similar, the vowel structure stays the same, so in the first conjugation, we have A's, in the second, long E's, in the third, A's / I's, and in the third IOs, we have I's and IEs. So the vowel stems stay the same, the tense indicator stays the same, it's just this final letter that ends up getting changed. What you guys are going to do now, I'm going to pause the video and put up the entire chart. You're going to fill in this chart that I've handed out to you guys in class, and you're going to be filling in the first 2 rows across the whole chart. So here's the entire chart that you should be filling in on the first 2 lines of your handout. Everything's pretty much the same, except of course third conjugation can't give it to you easy. Notice how the vowel changes between the active second person singular and the passive second person singular. So it's an is, goes to eris, is to eris. It's the only hiccup that you ever get in the passive voice in the present system, and then imperfect is hiccup free. So you get this entire chart to copy down now into your present system side of your chart here.